Dear customer, welcome to our page. Our company is specialized in supplying chloroquine and carriage parts. Now let's introduce one of the products, chloroquine track shoe first. I'd like to introduce our chloroquine track shoe in 6 aspects. Introduction of our chloroquine track shoes. The production process of chloroquine track shoes. Track shoe testing. Track shoes replacement time. Picture our chloroquine track shoes. Applicable brands. Introduction of chloroquine track shoes. Look at the left photo. The red arrow is chloroquine track shoes, also called chloroquine track pad, track link acid, chloro belt, chloro board, which is connected by track pins, bolts, and nuts. The shape of track shoe are different because of different chlorine model and tonnage. Chloroquine track shoe is an essential part of the chloroquine chassis, and it is a wearing part commonly used in chloroquines and pilot driver. Next, the production process of chloroquine track shoes. First, making a mold and then casting. After we will do heat treatment and then short blasting. At last, painting. About the track shoes testing, our company's inspection of track shoes is very strict. For example, the hardness must reach to range of 230 to 320 HP. For mechanical property testing, common range is 450 to 1080 Pa. About track shoes replacement time. Normally in the following 2 cases, it needs to be replaced. The first case is the teeth of track shoe are not tightly combined with sprocket. The second case is when the pin is loose, should replace new track shoes. Next, about the picture of chloroquine track shoes. Above photos are our chloroquine track shoes which will be ready to deliver out. Each production process is strictly controlled from material to heat treatment to testing. If you are interested in track shoes, you can contact us at any time. The last is applicable brands. The number suitable for Lima, Sony, IHI, Hitachi, Think Belt, Sumitomo, Kobelco, and so on. We have tips. When you search for track shoe in Google, you may get results like the above picture. You should remember to add chloroquine before searching. Otherwise, the search results will be incorrect. Thanks for all your watching. Welcome to Inquiry. Thank you.